back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to verify receive addresses on device, no phishing in leisure life. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to verify a receive address on device using Leisure Live and prevent phishing, you need to go to simply Leisure Live. Once you go to Leisure Live, you need to go to the Receive section in the Leisure Live and click Continue. After doing this, you need to connect and unlock your device as well and open the corresponding crypto app on your device. Then, on the Leisure device screen, you need to confirm the address shown matches the one in the Leisure Live application before approving it. So, you need to first of all initiate the receive process, connect and unlock, open the app, click Verify in Leisure Live, cross-check the address, approve on your device, and copy and share. So this is how you can verify receive addresses on device without phishing in Leisure Live. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.